This has indeed been a magical year for the Spartan football team, but also for Team MSU. We've gone through some of the most difficult economic times in a state that's always recognized as being on the top of the list for the most difficult economic times. And we've done that with a way of carrying momentum in the future. And that's a great tribute to our faculty, staff, our students, and to all of you pulling together as Team MSU. So as we think about this time of the year, it's a great time to give thanks for all the blessings that we've had for the past year, including having one of the best football coaches in America in Mark D'Antonio. And you'll hear a bit later from Mark Hollis, who's one of the rising stars as athletic director. But there are so many people on campus who care every day about Michigan State University and its future. And if you're at the football luncheon today, the kickoff, Nick Saban often talks about simply being better tomorrow than you are today. And championships are won by teams that are prepared to be better tomorrow than they are today, and not necessarily counting what you've done in the past in that record. And that really is Team MSU. So our commitment to you is very simple, that we'll work as hard as we can to be better tomorrow than we are today. And we'll do that with those great spirit and those land-grant values that have guided Michigan State University over all the years. So we thank you very much for being here. We thank you for your support today and every day. Go Green.
And it's all because of you. It's what we do, what President Simon, our Board of Trustees, Coach D'Antonio, myself, what we do for you. And we do it with all of our heart to try and make you proud, try and make this the greatest university in the country, which I truly believe it is. And we're blessed to have you as Spartans. Thank you.